Hello everyone, I'm Chef Kingsley. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tandoori chicken using Greenfields Plain Yogurt. We're going to preheat the ovens to 180 degrees Celsius and then followed by we're going to marinate the chicken leg. Next, we're going to put in the turmeric powder, followed by the garlic, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder. We have the cayenne pepper or salt. We have our cooking oil, chili powder, and lastly our Greenfields stirred plain yogurt. Marinating with yogurt will make the chicken more moist. This plain yogurt is unsweetened and 100% made from high quality fresh milk. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Okay, so after 20 minutes, we're gonna send it into the oven. Using home ovens, it'll be about 15 minutes. It's done. Wow. Beautiful, isn't it? Put it on the pan and let it cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes before we slice them up. After 5 minutes of resting, we're gonna slice it up. So now we're gonna plate this up. So we have here our tandoori chicken. Enjoy.